Super quick unboxing today from something from the Qantas marketplace, and it's a little different from my usual electronic things that I pick up and unbox for the channel. So this is a bathroom item from Tooletries, which I believe are an Australian company, and it's a little bathroom slash shower accessory. Qantas Marketplace is just where I got it from. They happen to have an offer going. That's just the receipt docket. It's pretty small. A few little things. Pull them out here. It's a little Qantas Marketplace thing. So these are the three items basically. So by the company called Tooletries, it's called the Oliver Shower Mirror, Face Scrubber and Holder, as well as razor tile. So we'll open up the shower mirror. I predominantly got it for the shower mirror, but they had a pretty good bundle deal on the other ones as well, so I decided to get it as a set. So we'll just open it up here. There's a little perforated tab, which I'll just cut through. So there's a little blurb on the back. Best shower mirror you'll ever use. Shatterproof, looks fantastic. Silicone grip technology. Great. So happy with that. Designed in Australia. There we go. Made in China. So I don't have that part, but that's an option. So I didn't want that one. I just wanted something a bit simpler. So there we go. So that's the mirror there. Protective film, peel me. So there we go. Oh, sort of comes out a bit. There we go. There we go. Probably see my reflection and the camera. A little bit tricky. Looks like it's really wanting to hold on to it, which is good. There we go. It's not a glass mirror, which is probably what you want in a bathroom slash shower environment. There we go, back on. That's the back. So you just peel this layer off and it will stick on, peel, stick, and then it is fog free. So that's the mirror, put that to the side, get my face out of it, and we'll open up this one. So this is just a silicone scrubber really, nothing too wild about this. Packaging is very nice. They seem to be pushing their gift sets a bit, so if you want to gift this to someone, it is pretty good. So a little silicone scrubber fits nice in the hand there, and then you can go away and have a scrub. So it goes in like that and just sits there again with the same peel and stick, and it is reusable, so don't throw that out. You can seal it up if you ever change places or anything like that, but that looks pretty good, pretty nicely made. This one is a shaver holder, so where's the open bit? I think you just sort of have to get into it, which is fun. Just rip it open, which is exactly what I will do. So again, same peel and stick thing on the back, but as you can see, for a cartridge razor, sorry, it'll look like that pretty much. So yeah, just a quick little unboxing. Again, I just got it for the mirror really, and these two accessories were nicely bundled, and I'll definitely be using them. So thanks for watching. We'll keep it at that, nice and short.